Sun detection means first-class professional management team. Sensor for you offer quality and cheap products and good service. Products throughout the country and sold in South Asia, as in East Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Latin America, Africa, and Middle East, etc. 20 countries and regions, and when users want critical acclaim, company products total sales exports account for the 30%. Fei Tianhong suspensions platform has become world well-known Chinese brands. Beijing Jinfei Tianhong Construction Machinery Company Limited always firmly believe that development is the last word. Hold on, implement science and technology innovation of the market with innovative, the quality of survival in good phase and development. Pursue quality first, the first user, credibility of the first business proposes, the face of sensor friends and customers from home and abroad to provide customers with products. The service is Jinfei Tianhong internal pursuit and commitment. Jinfei Tianhong is willing to use sensor cooperation, work together, create brilliant.
再回首，累累伤痛，走来拜见英雄。再回首，累累伤痛，走来拜见英雄。再回首，累累伤痛，走来拜见英雄。
The preparation before installation and table of contents explanation. Before to installation, please check out the numbers of the parts as shown in the packing list and check the condition of all the parts and components. When you finish the digital inventory of the parts and components and classify them, carrying the mainboard hanging, connecting sleeve, front beam, mid beam, rear beam, front support, rear support, front tommy bar, rear tommy bar, upper column, wire rope, enforcing wire rope, balance weight, safety rope, wire cable, rear overall ledging on the top of the floor, all the place which meets the condition of installing the suspensions mechanism, laying the height or low basket sheet, install support, end plate, hoist safety lock, and electric control on the ground. 2. There are two parts of field working installation. The installation of a suspend platform needs 2 people. Suspension mechanism needs 2 or 3 people. The 2 parts installation can be done at the same time. If you haven't enough people for installation, you can install suspension mechanism firstly, and then install suspended platform. You must examine the building roof, where it is slidable for installation and requirements before installing suspended mechanism. Platform installation. Suspended mechanism which is mounted on the top of the building working face is steel structure support for bearing suspended platform and rated capacity through wire ropes. Each suspended access equipment of ZLP800 and ZLP800 takes 2 sides of suspension mechanism. The force applied by suspension mechanism on the building or supporting structure shall meet relevant loading requirements of building structure. Front beam, rear beam, in mid beam can be inserted within telescopic adjustment to meet the requirements of the operating environment. Front beam, rear beam, height in a certain range can also adjust. Height adjustment range of 1,150 to 1,800 cm. as required. Balance weight in accordance with the number of models equipped with. Paying agencies shows the chart. 1. Hoisted bodies should be configured to meet K equal to G times B divided F times A. In formula, K anti-tilt safety factor, G balance weight, rear axle load after the stand weight. F working platform, hoist, electrical systems, wire rope, rated load, and wind pressure values. Sum. Suspending mechanism is generally installed on the top of the building ceiling. The suspense amplifies, accelerates, and wire rope on the building top, and make installation on a selected location. Installation sequence referred to below information. Front support, front tummy bar, front beam, main board height, upper column, middle beam, rear support, rear tummy bar, connecting sleeve, rigging screws suspense amplifies, reinforcing wire rope, adjustment wire ropes, rigging screws suspense amplifies, balanced weight, overhanging wire ropes. 1. Will all the parts of the suspension mechanism to the building roof mirror the length of the building and write the detailed data. 2. First, we'll insert the front tummy bar information, front support, adjust the height of the front tummy bar information, and make sure the top of the front tummy bar is higher 30 cm than the height of the parapet. Fix the bolts of front support and front tummy bar. 3. We'll install the main hanger plate in the front axle side. Adjustable support added to the front beam slot, then installed on the pillars of the former regulation is at the top. Insert axis and the safety pin insert pin hole fixed good. Four. One person will front beam, again to front beam insert in the middle beam, the other side and rear beam link. 5. Adjustable the distance of front support to 4.6 meter. Install rear beam and middle beam the axis. Store safety wire rope to arc slightly between the last clamp and its engineer one. Fasten the clamp screws until the wire rope is fastened to first 2 to first 3 in diameter. Working platform installs. Screw connection type. Platform installed order. Working platform should at the nearby hoisted platform the location where surface location of the whole installation. The first working platform parts of the numbers conduct an inventory and in accordance to the construction of size determining the work platform the left now to 3 meters platform the installers as example. 1. The choice of the smooth ground. 2 people will lower basket on the relay on walls on side. High basket in the 1 positions. All parts display good. 2. Will rear form real distinction. Use M12 120 screw and 1 hoist mounting frame connects good. Attention hoist mounting frame installs when safety lock installs support facing platform outside. 3. 2 people put bottom plate from another side push into platform. Use M12 130 screw put bottom plate and rail connects. 4. Use similar method installs another hoist mounting installed frame. 5. Fastening all screws. 6. Use M10 to 120 screws with hoist installed in hoist mounting frame, then inserting axis and with safety axis installed good. 7. With safety lock installed in safety lock support. Pedal arm must face the work platform inside. Again, will limit switch mounting card installed good. 8. Use similar method installed another end part. 9. Connection good power source. After experiment, hoist weather normal. Limit switch weather normal control on. 10. Distinction with safety use wire rod and work wire rod. Input safety and hoist inserting hole in. Work platform install adjustment matters needs attention. 1. Should choose smooth ground as for install surface. 2. The base is flexible with the corresponding position. Preloaded after the entire platform framework should be straight.